Welcome back, creative visionaries, to Purple Digital. Today, we are diving into the world of graphics editing, where imagination takes flight. I'm Ravi, and I'm thrilled to guide you on an extraordinary journey with Canva, the ultimate creative playground. Get ready to craft captivating content and unleash your brand's true potential. Let's begin. In this digital age, visual content is king. Compelling designs can leave a lasting impression on your audience, boost engagement, and drive business growth. Get ready to harness the power of captivating graphics. Meet Canva, your one-stop shop for seamless content creation. With its vast array of templates and intuitive features, Canva empowers everyone to create professional designs without any design experience. Let's get those creative juices flowing. I'll walk you through creating your Canva account and exploring the magic of its design templates. Trust me, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's dive into the exciting world of design. Witness the magic of Canva's logo maker as we craft a stunning logo for your business or personal brand. Then, get ready to dazzle with eye-catching presentations and social media posts using Canva's drag-and-drop interface. You'll be amazed at the possibilities. Personalization is the key to standing out. Watch as we tailor designs to your brand's identity, from color schemes and fonts to imagery. You'll also discover Canva's treasure trove of stock photos, icons, and illustrations to add that unique touch. Collaboration made easy. Discover how Canva allows you to work seamlessly with your team. Share your designs, gather feedback, and witness the magic of teamwork in action. Before we wrap up, let's equip you with essential tips for design mastery. From maintaining brand consistency to crafting visually appealing graphics, these insights will take your creations to the next level. Now it's time to unleash your creativity. Sign up for Canva and start designing captivating content that truly reflects your brand. Remember, the journey of implementation begins today. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue mastering digital tools for success, don't forget to subscribe to Purple Digital. Your support fuels our mission to empower you with valuable content. Thank you for joining us on this creative adventure with Canva. Your designs have the power to leave a lasting impact. This is Ravi from Purple Digital, signing off. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep growing.